They have started disturbing. They allow them to do their exercise in peace. This is morning exercise. Oh, wow. So they just do this in the morning. See. Wow. It's really morning exercise.
And they grow wings.
They will fly.
Like their wings.
They will fly. Hey, this is beautiful. Today, day 2.
Yeah.
You didn't even finish your food.
They were food satisfied. Even see, they are still food satisfied.
They are really doing morning exercise. The way they are running this morning, eh?
Their friends are from them.
Amazing. Amazing. See. They run from one corner of the pen to the other. No, the first day you were struggling with them because you were still learning them. Now you know them.
I'm relaxed.
You know what can keep them
Yeah.
and what can kill them.